This chapter is called Firms in Competitive Markets. In this chapter, we're going to look for the answers to these questions. What is a perfectly competitive market? What is marginal revenue and how is it related to total and average revenue? How does a competitive firm determine the quantity that maximizes profits? When might a competitive firm shut down in the short run or exit the market in the long run? And what does the market supply curve look like in the short run? We're going to begin by studying the behavior of firms in perfectly competitive markets. So consider that 3 years after graduating, you run your own business. You must decide how much to produce, what price to charge, how many workers to hire, etc. What factors should affect these decisions? Part of it's going to be the costs that we've just studied in the chapter before this, as well as how much competition you face. Perfectly competitive markets are characterized by these things. First of all, it's a market with many buyers and sellers. Essentially, they're trading identical products, and firms can freely enter or exit the market as they wish. Total revenue is equal to price times quantity. Average revenue equals total revenue divided by quantity, and marginal revenue equals the change in total revenue divided by the change in quantity. For competitive firms, average revenue is equal to the price, and marginal revenue is also equal to the price. So based on the formulas that you were given, calculate the total revenue, the average revenue, and the marginal revenue.